Good day everyone, I'm Wenzel from the channel Fragheads RX, and this will be my very first YouTube video, and today I'll be reviewing on a fragrance which was launched on the year 2014 by the perfumer Olivier Polge, and this is from the house of Valentino, which is Valentino Uomo, so stay tuned. For the presentation of Valentino Uomo, we can see a very elegant bottle design, one of my favorites. In fact, you can see here on the bottom of the bottle the different information. It's a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle, and we can see at the bottom the batch code -D1351. On the front, we can see Valentino in a gold plate. The distribution is nice. It sprays a decent amount of juice, and that's for the presentation of Valentino Uomo. Valentino Uomo's notes are, from the top we have bergamot, myrtle. In the heart notes we have roasted coffee beans, chocolate, and hazelnut. And on the base notes we have leather and cedar wood. Upon spraying, I can see how many people compare this one to Dior Homme. Yes, they have similarities, but in my opinion, Valentino Uomo is more on the sweeter side, more richer side, compared to Dior Homme, which is purely iris. The lipstick note in Dior Homme is very piercing, straight to the face, while in Valentino Uomo, it's lighter, it's more reserved, and it's more of the gourmandish, sweeter type. On the dry down, the leather becomes very prominent in this fragrance, but milder and more tamed compared to its younger brother, which is Valentino Uomo Intense. In addition, the dry down of Valentino Uomo is very similar to another fragrance by the house of Armaf, which is Armaf's Futura La Homme, and another one from the house of Zara, which is Zara 9.0. This fragrance is perfect as a date scent and for formal occasion. This fragrance is best worn during the cooler weather in a cooler environment because it tends to be cloying if it's worn in a high heat of the sun during the summer. How many sprays? I usually go 3 to 4 sprays with this one. 2 behind the ears, 1 behind the neck, and 1 in the chest, and that's it. You're good to go. Let's go now to the rating of Valentino Uomo. For the smell, I give it a perfect 10 out of 10 because I'm an iris lover and iris is my favorite note. For the uniqueness, I give it a 7 out of 10 because, like what I've said a while ago, it smells pretty similar to other fragrances like Armaf's Futura La Homme, Dior Homme, and Zara's 9.0. For the projection, I give it an 8 out of 10. It projects for about 3 to 4 hours. For the sillage, I give it an 8 out of 10 because it gives a scent trail of about 1 to 2 feet. And if I will give this a final rating, Valentino Uomo, I give it a 9 out of 10. The final question is Valentino Uomo prescription worthy? Definitely yes. If you're an iris lover like me, this is a definite must-have together with Valentino Uomo Intense and the rest of the Dior Homme line. What are your thoughts on Valentino Uomo? Do you own a bottle? Do you have other iris fragrances? Do you love iris fragrances? Please leave a comment below, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragheads RX. Again, I'm Wedza from the channel Fragheads RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day, and God bless.